Genius Hub celebrates World Day Against Trafficking in Persons with Market Women.
All markets!
Genius Hub collaborates with Initiative for Youth Awareness on Migration and Immigration Development Integration for Nigeria to celebrate World Day Against Human Trafficking. Every 30th of July na the day wey dem put aside to celebrate World Day Against Trafficking in Persons. This year own dey special because dem focus on the victims to bring awareness against human trafficking and victim stigmatization. The theme na Victims' Voices Lead the Way. The chairlady of the market, Iyeki, and other market women also support the program. The team come act small drama to explain the matter well to their audience.
I believe una madam don tell una everything. Everything will happen for this strike, so none of you should tell anybody. Anybody will go talk wetin you see for this place, that person go die.
Fatima and Git, wey be victims of human trafficking, come also share their terrible experience with the people.
Yes, he say work on that side, yeah. He says, share you know the car work where they say me called on that side. Yes, he say which car work? Not say na boutique they say me I forgot say. He say na prostitution now because do not say I no go try him.
Yes, and down they cry, they beg and say, bros, I beg, buy me. If na 6 million, I go pay you. I beg, just buy me. I just want to come up for this place. The man tell me, say, not be say you no fine, no. Not be say I no like you. You get the body. Say, but the one why they see you, be like person go give me problem. Everybody, we don't confirm Italy. We dey Italy see already. Our fuel can't finish for our lapa. Even if they get belle or they no get belle, now money Nigeria before Libya. Just want to thank Genius Hub for helping me. Now then give me life today. If not for Genius Hub, maybe today now, I will not even day.
Comrade Solomon Okodua will be the immediate senior special assistant to the governor of Edo State on anti-human trafficking and the executive director of the Initiative for Youth Awareness on Migration and Immigration Development Integration, say them come to join their voices with the victims' own so that them go fit create more awareness for the world.
Our purpose of coming here today to join voice with all over the world victims of human trafficking, to let their voice be heard through their experience. We want people to know that the antics and styles of traffickers, the way they come to recruit, the way they come to exploit, the way they come to dehumanize our girls against their wish. And the message to our mother, they should stop pressurizing the girl child. The pressure on the girl child because of the influence from other families, relatives, is on the high side now. And also the value of Naira as against euro and dollar. So these are the driving forces now. They should stop celebrating people in abroad more than the people in Nigeria. There is dignity in labor. Encourage them to learn skills, encourage them to learn trade and make money. Let them have that dignity in whatever business they are doing in Nigeria instead of allowing them to go to Europe and be a subject of dehumanization and exploitation. That is our message.
Mrs. Isimeme White, will be one of the pioneers, come show more light on the program and why them carry the waka enter market.
Genius Hub today, they mark World Day Against Human Trafficking in Person. So it's a day set aside by United Nations where we dey mark every year on July 30th. So we start our activities today to mark this special day. And this year team, a very powerful team. The team they focus on the victims of human trafficking. So it's about their voice. It's about us letting our voice to them. Again, we come market, come talk to market people, our market women, our market brothers and sisters. How they go take accommodate our brothers and sisters wey be victims, how they go take receive them. Because without the family support, without community support, the victim no go fit get voice. So we be the channel where they give the victim the voice to feel stand gidigba because they don't go through a lot. And one of the way to help them psychosocial support where would they provide now to make them break the silence. If victims don't break the silence, if they help them they heal from inside. So we join the voice of others to say today we must start our activity to mark this special day. As we come market now, we come rural community, come educate our women so that they go know, because most of the people where they traffic are women and girls. So it is an opportunity for them to understand and know the consequences of human trafficking in our community. Because it's a very big business where traffickers say they make money. So we don't want make them form victim. Now make us come here, come with our survivor, come with them, come share their experience. Now make us put up for drama, because drama they help explain the message. Then listen to the victims themselves, our survivor. It they help them see the reality of the matter, because they've gone through a lot. So the story coming from the people where go through them will make them see that it's not easy as traffic affect them for them. So now make us come here today.
Everything is there for Nigeria. Make we join hands to make Nigeria better.
This one na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top the cocoa for today. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Benin.